Hello, welcome back, guys. So it's chapter 8, that is the last chapter of polity from class 10. So it is challenges to democracy. So in the previous class, we have studied some of the challenges of political parties, and here we discuss the challenges to democracy. So we know in our life also there are various types of challenges are we facing. So when we overcome one challenge, the next higher level of challenge is coming towards us, so that once we overcome a challenge we go up to a higher level than before. So the bringing down the existing non democratic regime is also a challenge. So friends, in a democracy various types of challenges are there. Sometimes we may elect some of the representatives as the to the major government positions, and they will work in a non-democratic way, so that bringing down that existing non-democratic regime is also a challenge. And keeping military away from controlling the government and establishing a sovereign and functional state is another challenge. So friends, in some of the countries some military rulers are there. So in order to work as a democratic government, then the keeping away these military is a challenge to the government. And most of the established democracies face the challenge of expansion. Okay, most of the established democracies face the challenge of expansion. This involves applying the basic principle of democratic government across all the religions, the different social groups, and different and various institutions. So, in order to expand a democracy, major challenges are there, so that the democracies should recognize or give equal position for all the regions, different social groups, various institutions, etc. Ensuring greater power to local governments, extension of federal principle to all the units of federation, including inclusion of women and minority groups. So, guys, in democracy, in order to uh, lead the democracy in a good manner, we have to ensure the empowerment of women, and we have to erase the minority sections, and also we have to extend a federal principle to all the units of federation. And other major challenge is to ensure the greater power to local governments. That is just like decentralizing the power to the regional, provincial states. That's from the local level, panchayat, municipality, village level, to district, state, central level. It is also a challenge. A challenge of deepening of democracy is faced by every democracy in one form or another. This involves strengthening of the institutions and practices of democracy. So there is also a change of deepening of democracy. Some challenges like foundational challenge, challenge of expansion, challenge of deepening. Okay, these are the major challenges faced by our democracy. All the suggestions or proposals about overcoming various challenges to democracy are called democracy reform or political reform. So I have said that some of the reforming of the political parties or democracy reform is there. It's done by court and the election commission and also by the people. And so that all the suggestions or proposals about overcoming the various challenges to democracy is referred to as democracy reform or political reform. Then the democratic reforms are to be carried out mainly by political activists, parties, movements, and politically conscious citizens. So these types of democratic reforms are carried out mainly by political activists, parties, movements, politically conscious citizens. Okay. The best laws are those which empower people to carry out democratic reforms. For example, the Right to Information Act. This law empowered the people to find out what is happening in our government and act as watchdogs of democracy. Such a law helps to control corruptions and supplements the existing laws that banned corruption and imposed strict penalties also. So the best laws that empower the people to carry out the democratic reforms. Increasing and improving the quality of political participation is done by the ordinary citizens. The ordinary citizens who can improve the quality of political participation and also make certain improvements in our political parties and also in the democracy. So guys, it's all about the chapter. Have a nice day, guys.